In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a missing token into your MetaMask wallet. If you've recently acquired a new token and it's not showing up in your balance, don't worry, I've got you covered. We'll walk through these steps together, ensuring you can easily see your tokens every time you check your MetaMask wallet. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your MetaMask browser extension. This is your gateway to the world of decentralized finance and digital assets. If you've installed MetaMask correctly, you should spot it on your browser's toolbar. Once it's open, make sure that you're logged in and ready to go. Next, you need to confirm that you're connected to the correct network. This is an important step as different tokens operate on different networks. Whether you're working with Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, or another network, switch to the right one. It ensures that your wallet syncs properly with the token you're trying to import. Double-check this by looking in the top section of your MetaMask interface. Network selection should be quite visible there. The next thing you'll need to do is scroll down in your MetaMask interface until you find the Import Tokens option. This function is what you'll use to manually add the token that is missing from your wallet. By clicking on it, you're opening the pathway to officially recognize the token. Now, this is where you'll need some information about the token you're missing, the token contract address. This might sound technical, but it's quite straightforward. To find it, head over to a reliable site like CoinGecko, or even better, visit the official project page of the token. This ensures you're getting accurate and up-to-date information. Once there, you can search for the specific token you're interested in. Hover over the contract section and simply copy that address. A word of caution. Always make sure the token contract address corresponds with the network you've chosen in MetaMask. Mismatches here can lead to errors. After you paste that token contract address into the designated field in MetaMask, you'll notice something helpful. The token symbol and decimals should autofill. This automation is designed to make your life easier and remove any guesswork from the process. Just verify that the details look correct before going further. With everything set, the final few clicks await. Simply click Add Custom Token. Following this, you'll see an option to import tokens. Clicking this ensures your newly added token is officially integrated into your wallet's balance. And there you have it. Your missing token should now appear in your wallet balance. It's as simple as that. Following these steps means you never have to worry about not seeing your tokens in MetaMask again. Thanks for joining me.